It was a story that left two local families devastated almost 2 years ago. Today, those wounds were reopened in court as the man responsible for running over two teens in a hit-and-run case was sentenced.
But as West 2's Greg Fox explains in this story you will only see on West 2, the families are angry that the state attorney didn't push for a tougher punishment.
I'm not asking for vengeance. I have a heart. I'm asking for justice for my son.
Vanessa Martinez cried uncontrollably as she faced 59-year-old Dennis Trost, the man behind the wheel of the vehicle that struck and killed her son, 15-year-old Ashley Nielsen, on September 3rd, 2024. She and a room full of Ashley's loved ones and those of his friend Troy DeLeon, who was severely injured in the crash, loudly objected to a plea deal that would not only let Trost avoid trial, but also allow a 1-year reduction in the mandatory minimum 4-year sentence under Florida law.
And I think 3 years is not enough, because 3 years is not worth his life.
This man just left. He left and he cleaned his car. Why is he getting mercy?
The crash happened right in front of the Park Corniche condominium hotel suite entrance off of International Drive. The boys were heading southbound, according to witnesses, and then they say a white SUV suddenly drove in, ran over the boys, and kept on going. Staff at the complex where Trost was living provided video showing his SUV with right front damage, and in an earlier video showing no damage. He was later arrested and charged with leaving the scene of an accident causing death or serious bodily injury, which could have resulted in up to 30 years in prison. Instead, the judge allowed him to plead no contest and accepted the reduction from the mandatory sentence.
Sentence you to 3 years in the Department of Corrections.
While Trost was being readied for a trip to state prison, the families let the prosecutor know they think he should have worked harder to deliver more punishment.
Why is there no objection?
I'm not debating the facts of this case here.
Which leaves both families wondering if they have any legal standing left to make Trost pay for his crimes.
Not everything was looked at properly, and it deserved to have a trial.
A trial in which jury members would be able to weigh all of the evidence in the crash that ended Ashley Nielsen's life. Covering Orange County, Greg Fox, West 2 News.